Okay, Netflix review of Woody the Woodpecker. Pretty good movie overall. Um, I kind of really liked it. It's a little bit like I really did like this movie. Of Woody the Woodpecker. Um, the Woody's actually a pretty good character in the movie. Yeah, the characters call him Woody in the movie, which is okay, I guess. And then the kid's pretty good. The dad's just a bit weird. The girlfriend I hated, I think. Yeah, I did. The band was really good in the movie. I would probably give like a 9 out of 10 for Woody Woodpecker. So, yeah. Um, uh, Pretty good movie overall. So, yeah. Please like, comment, subscribe if you want to.